Welcome to Metro News, Lifeline of your city. So today's topic is on Corona. India, which is experiencing a sudden rise in number of COVID-19 cases, is now likely to make available a smaller number of vaccines to the rest of the world. The head of the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization has said, India is by volume the largest supplier of vaccines for the developing world. Because of the new wave of outbreaks in India right now, the Indian government has vaccination programs, and that has meant that they have required more doses, which means that they have made less doses available for the rest of the world. Shane Beckley, CEO of Gavi, told CBS News in an interview, "We had expected in March and April about 19 million doses, and we suspect we'll get much less than that, and that is a problem," he said. Gavi Alliance is a public-private partnership that works to provide vaccines for developing countries. It provides about 50% of the world's children with vaccines. But now we are in a race because we also see wealthy countries beginning to cover much of their population. Our hope is that they will begin to make their vaccines available to the rest of the world, including ones that they may not use. For example, the US not only has Moderna, Pfizer and JJ, but they also have vaccines from Novavax and of course from AstraZeneca, Beckley said. Those could be made available and they would make a big difference in terms of supply for the world, he also added this. Beckley said that the big challenge right now is access to vaccines. We have gone ahead and placed orders for more than 2 billion doses, but the majority of those are coming in second half of the year. And in the first half of the year, because of vaccine nationalism, has meant that there are less doses available. So that's our big challenge now. If we had more doses, could make those available, Beckley added. Responding to the question, Beckley said that what it is talking about now is ultimately getting access to the larger manufacturing facilities. I mean, the US invested heavily at the beginning and scaled up manufacturing, and invested again and again, and it scaled also up. Once the US needed are met, those facilities really could be used to come online for the rest of the world, which could help stop the acute pandemic. Our goal would be by the end of the year to stop the acute pandemic, which is critical for the global health security, he added. Minister of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan last month said that India has provided over 481 lakh doses for corona vaccine to various countries, out of which 73.5 lakh doses have been supplied as grant assistance, 288.4 lakh on commercial basis, and 119.60 lakh doses for COVAX. India recorded an all-time high of 1,03,558 single-day new coronavirus infection, pushing the national-wide tally 1,25,89,067 according to the Union Health Ministry data on Monday. The death toll increased to 1,65,101 with 478 daily new fatalities. It also added this.